Is Devin going to replace software developer? Well, to answer that, we need to do a proper analysis. When we talk about replacing a software developer, we need to understand the journey of a software application, because not only a software developers are involved on creating a software application. There are lots of people are involved to create any software application. So let's start with the life cycle of a software development. Let's talk about the software development life cycle. As you can see here, there are many phases. Let's start with a requirement. The client gives the requirement to the salesperson. Salespersons forward that requirement for planning and analysis. In planning and analysis, here a end-to-end application planning is going to happen, where product management, product manager, architect, sometimes TL, so everyone are involved to make this planning. So it's not like a normal planning of an application. It's a end-to-end planning where it involves security, scalability, deployments. So everything is going to be happening in this particular planning analysis. After planning and analysis, it forwards for it forwards the planning to the client. Client agrees on that. Then the development will start. So in development, the tickets will create for every task and pass towards the developers. So developers is going to work on the task and they're going to create the codes. So here the design and coding will happen. After the design and coding, the code is deployed on a QA environment where the testing will happen, and the tester is going to raise the bugs to the developers. Developers resolve that bugs. Once this whole process back and forth is completed, and if everything is properly working, then it will deploy on the production. Then after the maintenance. So this is the whole software development life cycle. Now we need to understand where a Devin is going to fit in this whole life cycle. For that, we need to go with one by one what Devins can do. So let's start with the first one, which is planning. So the Devin has his own planner, as you can see over here, but this planning is not same as this planning. In software development lifecycle, the planning involves security, scalability, architecture related, deployment related planning. You can say like a end-to-end high-level planning. But in Devin, it's a planning about a specific task. Even if you give a end-to-end application planning in Devin, there might be a chance where Devin give an error. So here, a developer is required to give proper input to the Devin to rectify that error. So after planning, let's talk about the design and coding. So Devin has his own code editor for coding. Now there is a question again, like after coding, what if the code is not going to match with the requirement that was given to the Devin? So here again the developer is required to give proper input and rectify the things so that the Devins do correct coding for the required task, right? So this is about the coding and designs. Let's talk about bug fixing. Here Devin can resolve code related bugs. But what if we have a regression which might be occur due to the continuous modification of the requirement? Also there might be a flow related bugs. So in order to rectify that, again we require a software developer. So this is the quick analysis of Devin. Now let's jump over to the question. Is Devin going to replace the software developer? The answer is not going to replace the software developer, but unfortunately it's going to reduce the software developer role. Now there will be another question like how to sustain in this software development field. So here the answer is like you have to keep update yourself. The question is not about AI going to replace a software developer or not. Here the thing is, a software developer who knows how to use an AI tool is definitely going to replace another software developer role. So we have to keep updating ourselves. We have to keep know about the AI tools. Now how to use the AI tools to make our work faster. Because here the competition is not with AI. Here the competition is with another software developer who knows AI tool. Follow this channel I'm going to talk about a lot of things related to AIs and how to update yourself in software development field. I hope you like this video. Let's meet in another video.